Hello and welcome everyone, this is Muhammad Isbam from SAIMEDHA ECET Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. In this video lecture series, we are going to be discussing about the most expected questions from the mathematics in the ECET examination. So, most of you, those who have not subscribed so far or new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to be notified for the further more updates. Every day, we are trying to update maximum questions. In every single video, we will be taking the most expected 10 questions in the ECET examinations which are going to be appearing in the further future. Okay. In this very video lecture series, already many video lectures has been updated in our channel. So, make sure you watch all those video lectures also. So, now in the today's video, we are going to be talking about trigonometry chapter topic properties of triangle. What are the most expected questions? 10 questions. Okay. Question number 1. In triangle ABC, if A is equals to root 3 plus 1, B is equals to angle 30, C equals to angle 45, then small c equals to. We know a formula of sine rule. The sine rule indicates A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. A by sine A is equals to B by sine B is equals to C by sine C. We require sine C for finding out the C. Already A is given here. So, what we can write, C divided by A is equals to sine C divided by sine A. Okay, with which C can be written as A into sine C divided by sine A. Now, the question is, what is angle C? A is given, B is given, B is given, C is given, but A is not given. So, A is what we need to find out. A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. So, A is equals to 180 minus of B plus C. 180 minus of B plus C. What is B value? 30. What is C value? 45. So, 30 plus 45, what is it going to become? 75. So, what we can write here? 180 minus 75. 180 minus 75 is going to give you a value of 105. So, A, sine A can be written as sine of 105, which can be written as sine of 90 plus 15. Sine of 90 plus 15 is cos 15, and cos 15 value is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So, now we know A value is root 3 plus 1. Okay. Sin C is sin 45, sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 whole divided by sin A value is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2, root 2 cancel, root 3 plus 1 cancel. So, what is the left out value now? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 going to the numerator, it will become 2. So, what is the correct answer for this question going to become? Option number 1. We are going to memorize the sine rule formula here. A by sine A is equals to B by sine B equals to C by sine C. Moving on to the question number 2. If two angles of a triangle are 45, 60, that means suppose A is equals to 45, B is equals to 60. We know 60 plus 45 is 105. Then angle C is 180 minus 105. 180 minus 105, what is it going to become? 75. C. Then sin C can be written as sin 75, and sin 75 can be written as 90 minus 15, where 90 minus 15 is again cos 15 root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, continue. The ratio of smallest side to the greatest side is, angle opposite to smallest side is smallest angle, angle opposite to or side opposite to smallest angle, you can write like this, side opposite to smallest angle is smallest side. Similarly, side opposite to greatest angle is greatest side. So, now as we can see here, A is 45, that is the smallest one. C is 75, that is the largest one. So, this is largest, this one is smallest. So, smallest side will be small a, largest side will be small c. He is asking, the question is ratio of smallest to greatest side, that means c divided by smallest to greatest is a divided by c, that is equals to sin a divided by sin c. Now the question is, what is formula for sin a? Sin 45. Okay, sin c is what? Sin 75. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 75 is cos 15, that is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This root 2 gets cancelled. It is going to reverse. What is the answer going to become? 2 by root 3 plus 1. 2 by root 3 plus 1 can be rationalized. Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 root 3 minus 1. 2 gets cancelled. What is the answer now? Root 3 minus 1 is to 1. So, based on the options provided, what is the correct answer now? Option 1 is going to become your correct answer. Again, the same thing what we need to analyze here is sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. 2 angles is given, third angle you are going to find out with the sine rule formula, make a ratio. Smallest side is smallest angle, opposite one. Greatest side is opposite to the greatest angle. Moving on to the next question. The diameter of circumference of a triangle. Diameter of a circumference of a triangle. We know when we have a right angle triangle, the largest side will be the diameter. Here we have 61, this is 60, and this one is, suppose it is 11. It's not 60, suppose this one is 11 and this one is 60. So this 11, 60, 61 is making which triangle? Right angled triangle. In a right angled triangle, this is a triplet, and we know that the largest side is going to be acting as this hypotenuse is diameter. So the largest side is what here? 61. So what is the correct answer going to become? 61 is the correct answer, which is given in the option number 1 itself. Go through it, pause the video and note it down. Moving on to the next question. X square plus x plus 1. Let's say a is equals to x square plus x plus 1. B is equals to 2x plus 1. C is equals to x square minus 1. Three sides are given. Find the largest angle. Indirectly he is saying this is the largest side. So largest angle will be angle A. What is the formula for cos A? Cos A is equals to b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. So b square means what? This one you need to take the square value. So cos A is equals to a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, a square x power 4, b square x square, c square 1, 2ab 2x cube, 2bc 2x, 2ca 2x square. Okay, now this is entire b square plus c square. C square is what? C square is this one. Okay, my mistake, this is a square, right? Okay. A square should be in minus. So starting with b square first. B square is what? A plus b whole square, that is 4x square plus 1 plus 2 2s are 4x, 2ab plus a c square. C square is x square minus 1 whole square, a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, then we have is minus a square. Now we can write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca whole divided by 2bc. That means 2 into, let me write it here, 2 into 2x plus 1 into x square minus 1. If you multiply 2 into 2x, 4x plus 2 into x square minus 1. 4x into x square is going to become 4x cube. 4x into x square is going to become 4x cube. 4x into 1 minus 4x. 2 into x square, 2x square. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So what we are having is 4x cube, 2x square, 4x minus 2. First of all, we will try to solve the entire numerator, then we will come back to the denominator. So starting with the largest power. Largest power we are having here is x power 4. Here we have minus x power 4. So both gets cancelled. Any power 4 is remaining? No left out power. We have left out with what? Here 2x cube. Here 2x cube is given and no cube is there. So, I will write the 2x cube. So, this one is also completed now. Then, can you see the x square term? Yes, 4x square. This is minus 2x square. 4x square minus 2x square, 2x square. 2x square minus x square, x square. X square plus x square minus 2x square again. X square minus 2x square is minus x square. Okay, you are gonna get minus x square. 4x square minus 2x square is 2x square. 2x square minus x square is x square. X square minus 2x square is minus x square. So, square terms are also gone. Now, x term 4x, we are having here 2x. Okay, 4x minus 2x. 4x minus 2x is 2x. So, we can write here plus 2x. Go through it one more time. Let me check here. 4x square. This is 4x square. This is minus 2x square. 4x square minus 2x square is plus 2x square. Plus 2x square. This is minus x square. Minus x square is x square. X square. This is minus 2x square, right? So, minus 2x square is going to give you minus x square. Let it be. Let me check. 4x is gone. Now, 2x is gone. Left out is, this is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Whole divided by, in the denominator we can see 4x cube, and then we have 2x square here. This is minus 4x and a minus 2. Minus a 2. Okay. So, 4x cube, this is 2x cube. 2x cube is minus 2x cube, right? Yes. Here we need to write minus 2x cube. So, now we can see a comparison here, that is, if I take minus 2 as common in the denominator part we are talking about, then what is it going to look like? It is going to become minus 2x cube. Okay, minus of minus will become what? Plus here. Now, we are having 2 as common outside, so we can write here minus x square, that is minus into minus plus 2 into x square, 2x square. We need to write here plus 2x plus 1. So, now this part and this numerator part both are becoming same. So, we can cancel these two, and what is the left out part in the denominator? Only minus 2. So, answer is 1 divided by minus 2. That the answer for cos A is equals to, cos A is equals to minus 1 by 2, A is equals to cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse of x. Cos inverse of 1 by 2 sin 30 cos 60, 60 is pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3, it is 2 pi by 3. So, the angle that we need to require is 2 pi by 3. Go through it. Option number 4. That is how we are going to solve the question number 4 there. Go for the next question. The angle of a triangle are in the ratio of, if suppose angle A is equals to 3k, angle B is equals to 5k, angle C is equals to 10k. Whenever we are writing the individually in the ratios, from the ratios to individual angle, you need to put a constant. We know that angle A plus B plus C is equals to 180. This 180 degrees is equals to 10 plus 5 plus 3, that is 18k. 18 ones are 18 tens are. So, k is equals to 10. If I in turn substitute the k value here, 3 times of 10 is the angle 1, 5 times of 10 is the angle 2, and 10 times of 10 is the angle C. This is sine, this is 30, this is 50, this is 100. So, now we know angle A, angle B, angle C. What is the asked question? Smallest side to greatest side. Which one is the smallest now? A is the smallest. Which one is the greatest? C is the greatest. Smallest to greatest. So, sine A divided by sine C he is asking there. Sine A is sine 30 and here we have sine 100. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 sine 100. Sine 100 can be written as sine 100 is equals to sine of 90 plus 10. 90 plus is cos 10. So, here we can write cos 10 also. So, the answer is 1 by 2 cos 10. So, A is to C is going to become 1 is to 2 cos 10. 1 is to 2 cos 10. So, here the answer is option number 4. Go through it. Pause the video and note it down. Moving on to the next question. Angle ABC sin A is to sin B is to sin C equals to, we know the formula A by sin A is equals to B by sin B is equals to C by sin C is equals to 2R. Okay, where A is to B is to C will be written as 2R sin A is to 2R sin B is to 2R sin C. In ratios, constant term will be cancelled, then A is to B is to C is equals to sin A is to sin B is to sin C. A is to B is to C equals to sin A is to sin B is to sin C. So, this is a standard formula. What is the correct answer going to become? Option number 2. Go through it, pause the video, note it down. Moving on to the next question. In a triangle ABC, A square, B square, C square is equals to 8R square, then the triangle is. Okay, I will be using the verification method here. Let us take the first one as right angle triangle. Let us say this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. I am taking that as angle C is equals to 90. So, A is equals to 4, B equals to 3, C equals to 5. Let us verify it. So, what is our left hand side? A square plus B square plus C square is equals to, this is 3 square, this is 4 square, here we have 5 square. 3 square plus 4 square is 5 square again, 5 square plus 5 square, 25 plus 25, it is what? 50. Let us verify on the right hand side also, that is 8R square. We know the formula for R can be written in terms of delta. Here delta is equals to half into AB into sin C, half into 3 into 4 into sin 90. Where sin 90 equals to 1, 2 ones, 2 twos, 3 twos are 6. Delta is equals to 6. R is equals to ABC divided by 4 delta. 3 into 4 into 5 divided by 4 into delta. Delta is 6. 4 gets cancelled, 3 ones, 3 twos, 5 by 2. So, R is equals to 5 by 2. Now, let us verify. Right hand side we have 8 times of R square. That means 8 times of R. R is 5 by 2 whole square. What is it gonna become? 5 5s are 25 divided by 4. 4 ones, 4 twos, 25 twos are 50. So, left hand side and right hand side both are getting verified. That means it must be a which triangle now? Right angled triangle. Similarly, you can verify with the equilateral triangle also. Equilateral triangle, A equal to B equal to C equal to 1. 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Here you are going to get 3. 8R square. R value is 1 by root 3 for equilateral triangle. 1 by root 3 whole square is going to become 3. 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is not going to be equal to 3. So, equilateral triangle is not there. Similarly, isosceles also you can think of your own values. Suppose 3 and 3 side you can take. Okay, you can take 1 and 1 side, and based on that you can verify. Okay, so this is a verification method. Moving on to the next question. If A tan A is equals to B tan B, I am taking here A is equals to suppose 30, B is equals to suppose 30, A is equals to B is equals to 1. I am taking this on behalf of isosceles triangle because I know the answer. You can do it with your own values. So, what do we have here now? A is equals to 1, 1 into tan 30 plus 1 into tan 30 is equals to tan 30 plus tan 30, 2 tan 30. Here A plus B, that is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 into tan of 30 plus 30 by 2. 30 plus 30 by 2, this is 60 divided by 2, 60 by 2 is again what? 30. So, this is again what? Tan 30. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 tan 30 equal to 2 tan 30. That means this is which triangle? Isosceles triangle. Okay, go through it. Pause the video, note it down. Moving on to the next question. Sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C is equals to dash in a right angled triangle. Question itself he mentioned there. Right angled triangle, I will be taking this one as what? 45. I will be taking this one as what? 45, and this angle as what? 90, because 45 plus 45 plus 90. This is 45, this is 45, this one is 90. This is a right angle triangle. Sin square 45 value is what? 1 by root 2 whole square. Sin square 45, 1 by root 2 whole square. Sin 90, 1 whole square. This is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1. 1 plus 1, what is the answer? 2. So, the correct answer for this question is, where is the 2? Option number 4. Go through it. You can take any other values also, 30, 60, 90 also you can take. You can take other values as 45, 45, 90, 30, 60, 90. That two values are very good. Moving on to the next question. If ABC are the angles of a triangle, then minimum value for tan square A by 2, tan square B by 2, tan square C by 2. Here, this is a problem where we need to know some basic formulas. Here we know what we know is A plus B plus C is equals to how much? 180 degrees. So, what we can write here as A plus B A plus B we can write as 180 minus C. Then A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 is going to become what? 180 by 2, that is 90. 90 minus C divided by 2. So here we, if I apply tan, okay, A by 2 plus B by 2, 90 minus C by 2, tan of A plus B by 2 is equals to tan of 90 minus C by 2. Tan 90 minus C by 2 is cot C by 2. Cot C by 2 can be written as 1 by tan C by 2, where 1 by tan C by 2 can be written as, okay, focus here, tan A plus tan B, tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus of tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan A tan B is equals to 1 by tan C by 2. If I invert it, then what is it gonna become? Tan C by 2 is equals to, like this you are gonna get, that is 1 minus, let me write it here in the form of tan A by 2, it is becoming very clumsy. So I'll assume that tan A by 2 as A, tan A by 2 as A, tan B by 2 as B, and tan C by 2 as C. Okay, just for the sake of understanding, what we can write here, A plus B divided by 1 minus AB is equals to 1 divided by C. Reverse it, what is it gonna become? 1 minus AB divided by A plus B is equals to C. What is it gonna look like now? 1 minus AB is equals to AC plus BC. Send this to the right hand side, what is it gonna become now? AB plus BC plus CA is equals to 1. Remember. So what is the property that we were talking about? The property is A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA is never negative. It's never negative. Or if you can say like this, AB plus BC plus CA is greater than equal to 1. Here in this case, A square plus B square plus C square is also greater than equal to 1. Minimum is what we require. Minimum is equal to 1, where A is what now? Tan A by 2. So here what we can write is tan square A by 2 plus, given in the question, tan square B by 2 plus tan square C by 2. What is the minimum value going to become for this? 1. Go through it. So the correct answer is becoming option number 2. Okay. So now we discussed about half angles, tan A by 2. Pause the video and note it down, this one. Moving on to the previous. Here we discussed about verification method by substitution of angles 45, 45, 90. Here also we did the verification method for isosceles triangle. Here we did the verification for right angle triangle. Here we discussed about the standard rule of sine rule, A is to B is to C equal to sin A is to sin B is to sin C. Here we discussed about again sine rule formula. Here we discussed about the greatest side, greatest angle, cosine rule we discussed. Cosine rule formula is cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2 BC. This is directly appeared in the ECET examination. Formula itself asked question. Next one. Based on the right angle triangle property, largest side will become the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the diameter. Two angles are given, third angle based on which sine rule we have applied. The question number 1 again we discussed with the sine rule. So this is all about the today's class. Make sure you understand it by writing number of times, formulas, concepts, shortcut formulas, verification methods. Try to do it in your mind without putting the pen over the paper. Many questions you can solve it very easily. Okay. So I wish you all the best for upcoming ECET examination and mock test, grand test exams. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for the every updates of SAIMEDHA KOTI, Hyderabad. Thank you very much. This is Mohammad Inzamam signing off with one more video. We'll see each other. Thank you very much.